Let's discuss about Pectol. Look at it. This is Pectol. Pectol is a medication used to relieve cough and respiratory congestion. It is often used to treat conditions like asthma, chest congestion, and COPD, that is chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Look at this Pectol. You don't take Pectol by swallow. You take it by licking. You lick it as if you are licking sweet, and it will work perfectly well when it comes in terms of relieving of cough. So don't worry, Pectol tablet got you covered. And don't forget to like my content, comment, and follow me for more. Have a nice day. Bye.